There was a news yesterday in newspapers that certain departments in NIMS hospital are being closed down. Amongst all government hospitals, NIMS was the only one which was literally competing with all the corporate hospitals in the state. The doctors there are good. They have the infrastructure also to work. It is not that Usmania, Gandhi, Kakatiya and other government hospitals, the doctors are not good. They are very good. In fact, they are also of very high standard, but they don't have the proper infrastructure to work there. Every month, amongst all government hospitals, I keep getting phone calls for NIMS for admission because beds are generally not available. Why is this hospital being neglected? Why is it being brought to a verge of closing down? Or is that the purpose of the government? Either to close down all the government hospitals and encourage only corporate hospitals, or sell off government hospitals to some corporate hospital like Yashoda. Health and education are social responsibilities of any government. Leave alone a social responsibility. Looks like this government is against the society itself. If you see the education aspect, there are schools in villages. There are good teachers who are willing to teach in those schools. But because of lack of infrastructure, even the poor children from the villages are not going to government schools. In the same areas, private schools are going full. There are no seats for children in private schools in villages. And if you look at higher education, Usmania University was one of the topmost universities in the country for many decades. Such a university doesn't have a vice chancellor for 2 years, leave alone Usmania University. None of the universities in the state have vice chancellors. The IAS officers are being given additional responsibility. This is the state of education and health in our state. This was not the Telangana that we have dreamt for, the Telangana that we have fought for. We have dreamt for a Telangana which would give good education to our children, which would give good health, create a very healthy atmosphere to all the citizens of Telangana. But unfortunately, that is not the Telangana which we are seeing today. Let us all get together, you with me with you, and achieve the Telangana that we have dreamt for.